Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I am your Dr. Vasu. Hope you are enjoying the lectures on engineering drawing and other subjects. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will keep me motivated to create more such videos in the future. Now, let's see the construction of a parabola, right, by other methods. So here, we want to see the construction of a rectangle method, parabola by rectangle method. Here a parabola is it is a curve obtained when you throw a stone at some angle into A and it falls on the ground at a distance, right? If you take this as the distance, at a distance it falls on the ground, right? It reaches some height, okay? So it reaches this height and falls on the ground. The path traced by that stone is nothing but a parabola. So here the height it reaches is given and the base where the stone is falling on the ground is given. Suppose if you take this as the base and height is marked here, right? And let's construct a rectangle. ABCD is the rectangle. This is the height that is reached by the stone. Now, take the midpoints of AB and CD, join them by a straight line. Okay. Now, let's divide this AD into some number of equal parts. Say here 4 parts. We get some 3 points here. Name them from A, 1, 2, 3. Now, join this F with 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Similarly, now divide this AE into the same number of equal parts. 4 parts here. Same 4 parts are done here on AE. Name them from A, 1, 2, 3 like this. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now, passing through 1 dash, draw a line perpendicular to AB or parallel to AD like this, up to the first line. Through 2 dash, draw another line up to second line, 3 dash and up to 3. Now you got 3 intersection points here, they are on the curve. This is on the left side. To get the same points on the right side, you draw horizontal lines from these points and mark these distances, because these are the reflections here. Mark these distances on the right side here from this line. You get another 3 points here on the right side. Likewise, you get as many number of points, right? And once you get these points, join them by a smooth freehand curve. You get a curve like this. That is the parabola in a rectangle method. Now, suppose instead of giving a rectangle, the height it reaches and the base, you are given a parallelogram and asked to construct the parabola. So we take the base here, AB, and take the line at the given angle of the parallelogram and complete the parallelogram here and mark it as ABCD. Take the midpoint of AB and CD as EF, join them by straight line. Now divide this AD into number of equal parts, right? I have taken 4 parts here, name them from A, 1, 2, 3, right? Join F with 1 and 2 and 3 like this. Divide this AE into the same number of equal parts, say 4 parts here. Name them from A, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Passing through 1 dash, draw a line parallel to AD, right? Not perpendicular. Not parallel to AD here. You draw a line up to first line. Through 2 dash up to second line, 3 dash up to third line. You get 3 intersection points here on the left side. Draw horizontal lines here from these points and mark the reflections. That is, this distances are marked on the right side. This distance on the right side. So you get another set of points on the right side. join all these points by a smooth freehand curve, you get a parabola, okay, in a parallelogram. Now, let's see the other method called a tangent method. So here the base is noted as AB and take the midpoint of it, draw a perpendicular line here, and this parabola reaches a height of CD. The height of CD is given, right? Parallelogram, parabola. Now, let's say extend this line further and mark the same CD here from D. And we get another point E. Construct a triangle, right? Join AE and BE. We get a triangle here. Remove this. For clarity's sake, I have removed. So we got a triangle. Divide this AE into some number of equal parts and mark the points. Right? We get some points here. Equal number of parts are made. Name them. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Do the same thing on the right side on BE. Divide this into E. Same number of equal parts and mark these points from E. We have marked from A here, reached E. From E, mark these points as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash like this. Okay. So the same number of points which you get here on the left side are obtained on the right side also. Now let's join 1 with 1 dash, 2 with 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 4 dash, 5, 5 dash like this. All the points are joined. Now we have to draw the curve, that is parabola. How? The curve should be such that these lines should be the tangent to that curve. We should draw the tangent in such a way that these lines will be the tangents to that curve. So draw the parabola here. We got it. So like this, we draw the parabola by tangent method. Hope you had understood this topic on parabola. Let us see another topic called hyperbola in the next video. Hope you had understood. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please do comment. Thank you very much.